God, you're welcome. Okay, question number one. Question number one. What is Kakasa business solution? What is Kakasa business solution? What is Kakasa business solution? You have 20 seconds to go. I'm making a marking guide in due course of,
Without facing some challenges, I don't think that it's something I'll be able to achieve.
Please mute your microphone just as you enter. Just mute your microphone. Don't inconvenience the meeting.
Don't be stubborn, please.
So far, I'll suspend you. Please mute your microphone.
For a short while, can't you?
Where's my steak?
Well,
Is it there? Can I bring it to me?
but you won't keep us.
I'm sorry, that one has been suspended. Sorry. I've tried muting him twice. He could not mute. So I'm sorry, I've suspended him. Please, I'm waiting for responses. You have 10 seconds to go. Please mute your microphone as you come in. You can either unmute your microphone and speak, or you can use the chat. Time up. Time up. I've got two responses. Time up. Please mute your microphone just in case you're not granted an opportunity to speak. Otherwise, if you happen to continue disorganizing the meeting, I'll just suspend you. As simple as that. I'm sorry to say that, but we want us to be organized. Okay, thank you so much, Esther and Linda. Kakasa business solution. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, the right response is Kakasa business solution is a world-class certified smart business solution intended to ease doing business in Uganda to enable compliance in and paying taxes in Uganda, just like that. Government certified, even if you say government certified smart business solution, it is okay. Government certified smart business solution, it is okay, but it is a world class. Tofa, this number Tofa.
Sure.
I've suspended him. I've removed him. Last time I suspended him, but I've removed him, dear friend. Sorry. I have no option. Yes, I mute. There are people, I keep on muting dear friends, but there are those who are stubborn. There are those who are stubborn. They go ahead and unmute, and you know the inconvenience. Sorry. Okay. So that is it. People who have got it right. We have Kakasa is the digital tracking solution that tracks and traces data on production. ESTA digital platform or business solution to allow taxpayer easily pay their taxes. Okay, I'll give you some two marks, two points for trying out. Linda, I'll give you 2, and Esther 2 instead of 3. Something was lacking, something small. Okay, question number 2. Question number next. State the 4 models of IFRS. State the 4 models of IFRS. State the 4 models of IFRS. Unmute your microphone and speak, or use a chat to submit in your response. You have 10 seconds left, dear friends. Kof, I've seen your response here. Peggy, I've seen your response. I want 4. At least, okay, at least 4. At least 4. At least 5 means slightly. You can put 3, maximum 4, but not 1. You have 10 left. Time up. Time up. The right answers are, thank you so much for the responses. I've got response from Esther, Peggy, Esther. Esther, you just use comma, Don't keep on punching and you end and you forward another one. No. Okay, Peggy, Scoff, and others. Members, the models here, please, they call it models. If you, I wonder why they are called models. If you listen to the URA, YouTube, some explanation about IFRS, they call them models. The first one is registration. The second one is stock management, physical document management, and reports. Let me see whether I can get this. Let me see whether I can get even this reference point here. So that I can share it here also. So I say registration, stock management, physical document management, reports management, the fourth one. Reports management, the fourth one. Those are the ones. I don't know why they are called models really, but that's how they are actually they give you an explanation to each. If you can listen, let me see whether I can get it here. Then I share it with you before the end as we are proceeding. The next question, I'll search for it, slow but sure. Okay, the next question is, why did the government of Uganda introduce Kakasa with IFRIS? Why did it? Give me two reasons why government of Uganda introduced Kakasa with IFRIS. Kakasa with IFRIS.
One, Daniel.
Yes.
Daniel.
Yes, please.
One is to reduce on the cost of doing business.
Mm.
To reduce on the cost of doing business.
Mm.
Two, to reduce on time when on clearance.
Mm.
Three, exchange of information.
Mm.
You get me, eh?
Mm.
Those three.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Another one? You have 10 seconds to go. Members, on the previous question, someone requested me, I think it was Esther, to share, to just type out the responses that I was breaking. There you are. Okay, here you have 5 seconds. Here you have some 5 seconds. You have 5 seconds. Time up. Time up. Okay, the right answers. So people are qualifying to get the answer, I mean, to get the point, the 3 points are, but before that, let me give you the 3 reasons for introduction of Kakasa with the IFRIS. Number 1, reduce the cost of compliance. To reduce the cost of compliance, to ease business in Uganda, 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 to ease business in Uganda. Another one is to enable compliance. To enable, the other one was to ease, but this one to enable compliance by the taxpayers. To enable compliance by the taxpayers. To enable compliance by the taxpayers. Okay, that is it. So people who are qualifying to get the 3 points are Joshua. So allow me share with you. I was also looking for this other link about what I told you about the models. I've shared it there. You can copy it and keep it somewhere. Then you watch it during your free time. It's just a 7-minute video, YouTube video explaining Kakasa with IFRIS. So I've shared it on a chat. Please find it and keep it somewhere. Okay, Joshua, you qualify to get this to enable, then PAR, enable, not PAR, no, reduce on paperwork, no, ensure compliance, save time. Then I'll give you 1. Joshua, I'll give you 3. Joshua Okuku, you qualify to get 3. Linda 1. The rest, no. Those Those reasons are given and they are vivid. They are three, as I've stated them. Okay. Okay. Next, write WTO in full. Write WTO in full. I see people are quiet. Let me give an icebreaker. Write W. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you, Linda, Joshua. You have 5 seconds left, dear friends. Time up. Time up. People who have qualified to, it is World Trade Organization. That was a giveaway. Since people were so quiet, I wanted to test as to whether they are still within, they are still listening, they are following. Teddy, you're welcome. I can see here you are started in big gear. Okay, thank you. Scoff, people who have qualified, Scoff has got 1. Coco has got 1. Jojo, Peggy. Okay. No, not 1. You have got the 3 points. 3 points. You have got it right. Okay, thank you. Let's proceed. Question number 6. Listen, the commissioner URA, Gazette taxpayer for whom it shall be mandatory. The commissioner URA, Gazette taxpayer for whom it shall be mandatory for VAT and payee. Shall be mandatory for VAT and payee registered taxpayers to enroll for e-freeze with URA. The Commissioner Gazette taxpayer with whom shall be mandatory for VAT and payee registered taxpayers to enroll for e-freeze with URA. Question, true or false? Yes, Lina, I have got your 3. Don't worry. True or false? You have 10 seconds to go. You only state either true or false. You don't need even to give a reason. Me, I'll give you the reason as to why I'm validating or invalidating your answer. You have 5 seconds left. Time up. Time up. Okay, the right answer is false. False. So the question was the commissioner gazette taxpayer for whom it shall be mandatory for VAT and pay registered taxpayers to enroll for IFRIs with URA. To enroll with IFRIs with URA, true or false? The right answer is false. Why? Not every taxpayer, not every registered tax VAT and pay registered taxpayers are supposed to enroll for IFRIs. It is only and only VAT taxpayers that are mandatory to enroll for IFRIs. Please get it right. So the element of bringing in VAT and pay registered taxpayers, pay was invalidating the answer. Instead of it being true, it became false because pay taxpayers are not supposed to register with the IFRIs. So people who have qualified to get a 3 points are, we have Okuku Joshua. Okay, Scoff. I have Scoff. Okuku. Okay, we have Jojo. We have Teddy. The rest, I'm sorry. The rest, I'm sorry. Members, allow me proceed to the next question here. Okay. Generating invoices using Kakasa IFRIs. Generating invoices using Kakasa IFRIs has got 3 components. Has got 3 components. Generating invoices using Kakasa IFRIs or using IFRIs has got 3 components. That process. So state those 3 components. State the 3 components. Thank you, Linda. I can see your response here. You have, dear friends, you have 12 seconds left. That is our 7th question. Okay, we have 5 seconds left. The 3 components of IFRIs when generating invoice. An invoice. Okay. Type 1. Time up. Okay, these are the three components that are involved in this. Number one, invoicing. Invoicing. Invoices. That invoicing has got 4 options under invoicing. We have URA free server under invoicing. I'm talking about an invoicing as number 1 component when generating invoices. Have invoicing. So you can either use e-invoicing, electronic invoicing, in other words. So under electronic invoicing, we have got 4 options. Number 1, this one I'm giving you information. Please write it if you want to note it. You can note it somewhere. We have under e-invoicing or electronic invoicing, we have got 4 options. Number 1, using URA free server, using an invoicing, using e-invoicing link on URA portal. The other option is IFRI's client application, and also use of a USSD code. Now, the second component under when you're generating the invoices, we have electronic physical device. Electronic physical, not physical, but physical device. And lastly, the EDC, that is electronic dispenser controller. These words are technical and it requires you to have read. You can't just guess them. E-invoicing, electronic physical device, and electronic dispenser controller. Please find out much more about those 3 components to avoid being caught offside. Okay. Teddy, I'll give you a mark, 1. Esther, I'll give you a mark for stating EDC. Kuku, no. Teddy, we use that. You just you keep using question mark. I mean a comma. And Esther, I'll give you a mark. Esther, I'll give you a mark here. Okay. Scoff, no. Linda, I'm going to give you 2 because e-receipting is not part. I'll give you 2, Linda. Okay. Okuku, you are saying, okay, let me give you at least the one here. Okay, dear friends, let us proceed. Number next, we are going to have like 12 or 15 questions. Okay, the following is the URA. The following is the URA strategic result by 2024, 2025. By 2024, 2025. The following is the URA strategic result by 2024, 2025. A, grow revenue above 44 billions. B, grow revenue above 42 billions. C, grow revenue above 44 trillions. D, grow revenue above 42 trillions. I repeat, the following the URA strategic result by 2024-2025. Grow revenue above 44 billions. B, grow revenue above 42 billions. C, grow revenue above 44 trillions. D, grow revenue above 42 trillions. You have 20 seconds to go. You either state B or you can state the very answer. You can either state C, you can state any. Banange, Catherine, I cannot keep on pardoning. Wasn't clear, Banange. Okay, let me repeat. The following is the URA strategic result by 2024-2025. A, grow revenue above 44 billions. B, grow revenue above 42 billions. C, grow revenue above 44 trillions. D, grow revenue above 42 trillions. You have 10 seconds to go, dear friends. Time up. Time up. The right answer is C, grow revenue above 44 trillions. C. Okay, those who have got it right, let me check. When we go off, please, we join using the same Okuku Joshua. You have said the 44 trillions. Okay, Kali, let me come away. Tiri, Teddy, Tiri. Linda, Tiri. Pa, Tiri. B, 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 no.